Snakes shed their skin through a process called ecdysis for several important reasons. 1. Growth. As snakes grow, their skin does not grow with them. To accommodate their increasing size, they need to shed their old, tight-fitting skin and replace it with a new, larger one. This is similar to how humans outgrow clothes, but in the case of snakes, they need to create a whole new outfit from their own body. 2. Health and hygiene. Shedding helps snakes get rid of parasites that may have attached to their old skin. This process ensures that they remain healthy and less prone to infections and infestations. 3. Skin renewal. Shedding allows snakes to replace damaged or worn skin. The new skin underneath is typically healthier and more efficient in terms of function, such as moisture retention and protection. 4. Behavior and ecology. During shedding, snakes may become more reclusive and less active. The process can take several days, during which the snake is vulnerable to predators. After shedding, snakes often appear brighter in color, which may aid in camouflage or mating displays. The shedding process begins with the secretion of a milky fluid between the old skin and the new skin. The snake then rubs its nose against rough surfaces to initiate the shedding process, eventually sloughing off the old skin in one continuous piece. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.